Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to be using Cramer's rule in order to solve the following system of equations. So it says here, when solving a system of equations, the solution is that x equals the determinant ax over determinant a, y is equal to determinant ay over determinant a, and determinant z is equal to determinant az over determinant a. Okay. So first we need to figure out the coefficient matrix for A and then find the determinant of it. So yeah, that matrix A, the coefficient matrix, is going to be 1, 2, 3, and -1. And notice that these numbers all correspond to the coefficients that we have over here in the two equations. Now we need to find the determinant of A, right? So just a reminder, how do we find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix? We multiply A times D, and then we subtract the product of B times D. So in this case, we're going to have 1 times -1 minus 2 times 3, and that's equal to -1 minus 6, which is equal to -7. So therefore, determinant A is -7. Okay. Next, we have to define, well, what's determinant AX and determinant AY? Determinant, right, we've only done one of the determinants we're supposed to do. So for determinant AX, first we need to know, well, what matrix are we referring to? When we say AX. AX essentially is going to be this matrix here, 5, 7, 2, negative. And so all we did here to get this matrix is we kept this second column here the same, but the first column, notice that I switched it for the answers for 5, 7, find determinant AX. So therefore, we have determinant AX is going to be equal to 5 times 1, right? I'm multiplying these two together. And then we're going to subtract the product of these other two. So minus 2 times 7, and that's going to be equal to -5 minus 14, which is -19. So there we go, 19. Then we have to do AY and determinant AY. So for this one, we're going to keep the first column the same, and then it's the second column, the 5 column, that we're going to switch for the answers, 5 and 7. So 5, 7. And then we're going to find determinant of this as well, which is going to be 7 times 1 minus 5 times 3, which is equal to 7 minus 15, which is -8. Now, if this were a 3 by 3, we would also do the same thing with, we would find A, C as well. However, in this case, we just have two equations, two unknowns, so there is no Z variable here. So we're already done. Okay. Now, how do we actually solve these equations? Well, to find x is equal to determinant of ax, which we said was -19, over determinant of a, which is -7. So therefore, x is 19 over 7. And then as for y is going to be a y over determinant a. So therefore, that is going to be -8 over -7, which is the same as 8 over 7. So in conclusion here, x is 19 over 7, and y is 8 over 7. And again, we don't have to worry about z in this case because we're just doing a 2 by 2 example here. We will do harder examples moving forward, but this one is an example with just a 2 by 2 matrix that we're figuring out. Now, as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Another way you can check your answers is either by, going on the computer, figuring the answer out online, or if you're not allowed to do that in this specific context, you could also check your answer by using substitution or elimination or some other sort of method that you've learned in order to solve it as well. All right, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments, and we'll see you for the next one.